Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Jenny and Eric's property. It's their first Section 8 rental. I'm so excited for them. We are about 75 to 80% of the way through this rehab. I wanted to do an update for you while we're here. Now, Eric and Jenny live in China. They have never seen this house. They don't ever plan on doing so, which is unbelievable. And I'm so happy for them that they can do this, and they're able to do it because they're using my team and I'm walking them through it. Guys, if you want to be able to do something like that too, shoot me an email below. We will get after it. We'll do whatever you want to do. Build the real estate portfolio you've always wanted to, even if you're out of state or out of country. So come on in. Let's see what we got going on in here. So guys, if you remember, I did a video a couple of weeks ago. This house was saturated in dog urine, dog feces. It was a disaster. What we did in here was, of course, we did a ton of drywall work. We did all new paint. We did all new electrical. We ripped up the entire subfloor of this entire house, put all new subfloor down, all new carpets throughout this entire house as well. We'll still go through it and do all the touch-up work and all the trim work and all the small stuff. But for the most part, all the big items are done. The only thing we haven't done yet is the bathroom and the kitchen, which is next up. So guys, new light fixtures are in here. Everything's brand new. A brand new furnace is in, brand new HVAC, brand new ductwork, everything like that. All that stuff is in. So we are very, very close to being done with this. This was a $50,000 rehab. And we are literally probably about a week out right now. So guys, everything looks really, really good. I'm really happy with everything. Of course, we're still you know, in the rehab phase. Of course, everything is still everywhere, which is how I love to see it. This is one of my favorite things to see, is the mid rehab, because it's progress, and I love progress. So guys, if you remember how disgusting some of these rooms were, they were hideous. They were absolutely hideous. They look really good. All the closet doors, all this is kind of one of the last things that we'll put up. But the house just looks extraordinary. I'm so happy with it. This is gonna be great. Actually, before we started filming this video, we've already had 2 cars pull up and ask if it's gonna be for rent. So gone to our property manager, and we'll make sure that we get it all lined up quick, okay? So in here, we have the bathroom, of course, not even close to being ready, but that is our next piece. They've already started on the kitchen. That should be done first, and then they're gonna go in here and finish up this bathroom, and that's gonna be it. So you saw bedroom number 1, guys, bedroom number 2, and please, I'll post the link below of the before videos, just so you guys can see how disgusting and awful it was in here, and then how awesome this place is now. I mean, I would move in here right now. Bedroom number 2, and then guys, bedroom number 3, again, looking really, really good. I'm really happy with this as well. This is just one of those houses that you walk into, and other people will walk into this and say, no way, no how, I'm absolutely not buying this. And this is a house for me that I walk into and I see potential. I see a future. I see the ability to make passive income that's guaranteed. And I enjoy that. That's what I like to do. So it's about creativity, and you need to have that creative mind to be able to do that, which you're on this channel, you have that. Now, it's all about taking that next step and actually doing it. This was a house that sat on the market forever, and nobody wanted to buy it because it was gross. And then, of course, we come in here, we buy it for $40,000, I believe, $40,000. And we come in here and we buy it, and that's it. We turn it into this. And now somebody who's in a different position in their life, who's less fortunate than we are, gets to move in here, and we know we're providing a top level of a place to live, something that they can then take pride in, something that they can then enjoy, taking them out of a bad situation, putting them into this kind of situation. And we know the work's been done right because we did it and we stand by it. And that's what separates us, that's what separates you from everybody else out there that's doing this. This was a project that we see all the time where animals have destroyed a house. There are sad items where animals are hurting themselves and are hurting each other. By the people who own this, they were fighting dogs in the basement. So we actually took about 2.5 carcasses out of this house, unfortunately, during the cleaning process that we didn't know were here. So it's just one of those things, guys, that we're providing new life, and it's a new future. It's promising. It's great. And I love being a part of it. If you want to be a part of something like that, shoot me an email. We'll get this thing started. Please, guys, any questions or comments that you have, leave them in the comments below. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.